My name is Isabella, and I am your Rebel Seamstress, your helpful guide in fulfilling all of your sewing, pattern making, and draping dreams. Today, we're learning the strongest hand sewing technique, the backstitch. The backstitch is a timeless, dependable method you can rely on whenever you need your hand-sewn seams to be strong, durable, and long-lasting. From the front, it appears as a clean, continuous line, but when we flip it over, we can see the overlapping structure. This makes it very secure and incredibly difficult to break over time. Because of this strength, the backstitch shines in areas of the garment that experience pulling, tension, and frequent wear. Let's go over when to use the backstitch. 1. When your seam needs to be strong, secure, and dependable. The backstitch is the strongest of all the hand stitches, so if a seam will take any stress, especially in fitted or load-bearing areas, such as the arm's eye, bodice seams, waist seams, pant seams, the internal structure of pockets, straps, the top of a slit. These are all examples where the backstitch will hold it secure. 2. For closures on stress points. The backstitch is perfect for attaching hooks, bars, eyes, and snaps that you want to hold firmly in place through wear. 3. When sewing curves. The backstitch forms a tight, continuous line, allowing you to follow curved seams with lots of control and accuracy. Use it along the arm's eye, princess seams, and crotch curves. Anywhere that the garment silhouette depends on clean shaping. It helps these curves lay beautifully and follow along the body with intention. 4. When you want machine level strength but with hand sewn control. The backstitch mimics a machine seam, but gives you precision you can only achieve by hand. It's perfect for beginners without a machine, for couture level accuracy, and for those areas your machine simply can't reach. 5. When you're creating garments meant to last. Use it in tailored work, cherished pieces, or anything you hope to keep for years. Historically, chemises, shifts, shirts, and breeches were often sewn entirely with the backstitch because it ages beautifully. It's so strong that in many cases, the fabric fails before the stitch ever does. And lastly, 6. For decorative embroidery. With embroidery floss or contrasting thread, the backstitch creates clean, bold outlines and elegant details. Please note that this use has a completely different purpose than from seam construction that we discussed previously. Embroidery is decorative, not structural. Now let's also go over when not to use the backstitch. 1. When the garment is loose, breezy, or needs softness. For relaxed silhouettes that don't take strain, like loose blouses, floaty dresses, or airy layers, a strong backstitch can feel too firm. Choose a lighter stitch so the fabric can move and breathe. 2. When the seam or fabric needs flexibility. The backstitch is very firm and non-stretch, so avoid it when sewing knits or areas that require give because the rigidity can cause puckering. 3. For visible structural top stitching. On the outside of a garment, the back of the backstitch can appear thick or raised. For visible clean lines, choose a running stitch or a half backstitch instead. Note that this is different from embroidering when the chunkiness is intentional. 4. When speed matters more than structure. The backstitch is precise, but it's slow. If you're doing something quick, casual, or not structural, use a faster stitch. Now it's time to make our backstitch sample together. Grab your needle, thread, sewing snips or scissors, and 2 pieces of fabric. On this channel, I always guide my students to use muslin strips, 8 inches long and 3.5 inches wide, so they fit perfectly into our sewing sample book. You're always welcome to make your own along with me through the tutorials on this channel. Let's begin. Layer your 2 pieces of muslin directly on top of each other. Start with a single threaded needle, tied with a double or triple knot at one end. For this sample, you can sew your stitches anywhere between 1/8 and 1/4 of an inch long. Once you've decided, be sure to stay consistent so your seam looks nice and neat. To set up your backstitch, enter your needle from the back side so your knot is hidden. Make 1 stitch. Now re-enter your needle from the back side, leaving a space that matches the length of your first stitch. Pull your thread all the way through. Once your setup stitches are in place, the backstitch follows a simple rhythm. 1 stitch backward on the front, and 2 stitch lengths forward from the back. Think to yourself, 1 step back, 2 steps forward. One step back, 2 steps forward. As we continue our sample, it's important to note how the backstitch behaves with different fabrics. Thicker fabrics, like canvas, Melton, or tweed, truly benefit from the backstitch's strength because heavier materials put more stress on a seam. Sturdy fabrics deserve a sturdy stitch. And remember, when sewing with heavy fabrics, use larger stitches to help the seam settle smoothly and relax into the thickness. The backstitch also works gorgeously for fine and delicate fabrics, such as silk charmeuse, crepe, fine cottons, voile, anything that needs intention and control. These materials benefit from small, delicate, carefully placed stitches. But just be mindful of your tension. The backstitch can be quite firm, so sew gently to prevent puckering and to keep the fabric's drape nice and fluid. The backstitch also illustrates a beautiful life lesson. Its rhythm, 1 step back, 2 steps forward, mirrors the truth of real growth. We all face setbacks on our journeys, but each small stitch of progress builds strength and resilience. Over time, that steady movement creates the foundation for success in anything meant to last, just like the backstitch itself, whose rhythm forms the strongest hand-sewn seam we have. Once you've done your final stitch, take 1 step back to finish the continuous line. Then flip your work over to tie off the thread. Gently slide your needle under the last stitch on the back side. Slowly pull it through until a little loop appears. Then pass your needle through the loop. Pull gently as the knot slides down to the fabric. Repeat this 2 to 3 times so the closure is strong and secure. Snip your threads and voila! Your backstitch sample is complete. Now you can place it in your sample book. And take a moment to write down the notes from today's lesson so you remember its specific purpose and use. Thank you so much for watching this fashion tutorial with your Rebel Seamstress. Please click that like button. And please leave a comment to let me know if this video has helped you or if you are left with any more questions, so I can make these videos as beneficial as possible for everybody. And don't forget to subscribe for more fashion videos to come.